We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about correct pronunciations. Two different ways of pronouncing it depending on the function of the word and how you use it. As a verb, this is said as refuse, refuse, stress on the middle syllable, on the second syllable, on the fuse syllable, as in I refuse to take part in these actions. Refuse. Now, as a noun, this is said as refuse, refuse, as in his refuse of taking part or in our team is not a good thing. Refuse as a noun, refuse as a verb. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there to learn more indeed. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.